Let's take a closer look at how the delays page on DriveBC helps you stay informed and confident while planning your trip. From anywhere on the site, click on Delays in the top navigation bar to see the list of traffic impacts throughout BC. If you've already entered a starting location and a destination for a specific trip, like here from Kelowna to Vancouver, DriveBC automatically filters the list to show only the traffic impacts along your selected route. They'll appear in the exact order you'll encounter them, giving you a preview of what lies ahead. Traffic impacts can include closures, major delays, which are 30 minutes or more, minor delays, which are up to 30 minutes, and chain-ups that are in effect, if you're a commercial truck driver, each clearly labeled with icons. Each traffic impact provides the specific direction affected, the location, a landmark that can help you visualize where the impact is, a description of the impact, how recently it has been updated, and when to expect the next update. To see where that impact is on the map, click View on Map. Looking to narrow things down? Use the filter to customize what appears in the list and what areas of your trip you're interested in. Want to explore beyond your route? Simply click the X next to your route to clear it. This will show traffic impacts happening across the entire province. Want to organize your results in a way that works best for you? Just click the Sort drop-down near the top of the page. From here, you can sort by severity. This will show you the most serious events first, like full road closures, followed by major and minor delays. Prefer alphabetical order? You can list roads from A to Z, or Z to A. Need the freshest updates? Choose to sort by newest to oldest, or flip it around to see the oldest first. This makes it easier to find the information that matters most, whether you're scanning for urgent road closures, planning a trip, or looking for the most recent changes. Now you're ready to hit the road with confidence. It's all about giving you control and keeping your travel plan smooth. Safe travels.